Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. I am so excited guys to take you guys behind the scene with me how I prepare and package my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. This is the good stuff guys. I'm just gonna take you guys behind the scenes so you guys see the bunch of work I have to do. Takes me hours and hours, and if you want to see more, please continue watching.
I don't think you have a clue, what could that be? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
First, I am taking all the oils from out of the dark room. I store them in a dark room, guys. I prepared this oil for like 3 weeks now, and it's been in a dark room in this glass jar containers to infuse properly. So you know this is well infused. This is some good stuff, and of course I'm putting on my gloves to make sure everything stays sanitized. I already sanitized the countertops and everything like that, so don't worry, everything is squeaky clean and nice. So in this jar I have aloe vera and rosemary plant and a bunch of different carrier oils guys, and I put it in the dark room to infuse for 3 weeks. So you know this is some good stuff. I get out all the nutrients from the aloe vera and the rosemary plant into our wonderful carrier oils. Now I am going to strain the oil to remove all the aloe vera and the rosemary from the oil itself, so we can go ahead and add our essential oils. So I'm smelling it guys, and the scent is very natural and strong, so you know of course it's well infused with the aloe vera and rosemary. I ordered this straining bag, or I'm not sure what to call it, on Amazon, and I think this is the best thing. It actually ensures that there's no particles or residue in the oil after I strain it, and I tend to strain it like twice to make sure I fully get out every single residue or trash. After, I do not squeeze the bag guys, because you don't want to squeeze it and anything skip through. So I did not squeeze, I just let it drain off, and to my satisfaction. Now I'm gonna strain it a second time just to be safe, to ensure I get out every single residue or trash out of the oil, so you know it's nice and clean for you guys.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
So now that my oil is ready, clean and ready, now I'm gonna add my vitamin E oil and my essential oils.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart.
I have all my formula written down in my book, guys, so depending on the quantity that I'm making, that's how I measure the amount of essential oils and carrier oils. Now that I added all my essential oils and vitamin E oil, I am now stirring the oil to make sure everything combines, and then I'm going to place it in this larger container, because that other pan at the side has oil as well, and I just want to mix everything together so everything can be ready and nice and evenly distribute.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn.
Now we're going to lay out our 2-ounce bottles, and this bottle has been sterilized, guys, with warm water and soap and bleach. Not warm water, hot water, and sit overnight, so they're fully sterilized. And I'm going to use this 60 ml syringe that I bought on Amazon to place the oils in the bottle. I think it makes it easier, even though it's time consuming, but it makes it easier, less spilling, less mess, and I just find it to be very helpful. So let me share with you guys some of the wonderful benefits of my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. Promotes healthy hair growth, thicken hair strands, treat dandruff and itchy scalp, heal scalp issues, treat bald spot, prevent hair loss, prevent premature graying, reduce hair fall, strengthen roots, and repairs damaged hair. And these are just some of the wonderful benefits that you will get from my growth oil. So if you're interested in ordering my growth oil, guys, as I said before, I currently do not have a website, but we are working on it. So hopefully soon. But if you want to order right now, you can go ahead on Instagram at Henderson Organics, or you can send me an email at hendersonorganics2@gmail.com. Okay, I will love you guys' support. I have been getting a lot of support from you guys so far. And I also want to say thank you for all my YouTube viewers that have contacted me on Instagram and placed their growth oil order. I was so excited that you guys came over to Instagram and ordering up my oils, and I'm just super grateful. So guys, so we're going to move on to the labeling section. So these are the labels that I print on these papers. I have to cut them out, which took forever, and I know as I grow I will come up with better solution how to lessen the work, because this is actually very hard. I've been here for hours cutting out labels, and that's just too time consuming.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
So now that our labels are ready, let's go ahead and label all these bottles. I literally made these labels all by myself from scratch. So I hope you guys like the little packaging, the little nature. I'm trying to go for a nature vibe because it's 100% natural growth oil. So I just feel like the labeling go well with what's inside the bottle. I hope you guys think so, and I hope you guys like it as well. Sometimes it's a little lean and I have to remove it to make sure it's not that lean, because you know it's not going to be perfect because it's handmade, so it's not going to be like perfectly straight all the time. But when it's too lean, I have to remove the label and try again, which sometimes I get it right and sometimes I don't, which is totally fine. I am in my learning process, and as I grow we will get better, you know. We got this, right? We got this. If you buy your oil and your label is kind of lean, I'm super, 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 super sorry. I tried my very best to make sure it is as straight as possible. But guess what? The most important thing is it's what's inside the bottle. And I know for sure what's inside the bottle is good stuff. So I guess that makes up for the lean labels. This is my third batch of growth oil. This goes so fast, guys. I am super, super, super grateful. Like, I did not believe that you guys would have like be so interested in my growth oil. I mean, why not? You guys saw the proof. You guys saw that it was amazing. It did well on my hair. And I feel so proud of myself. I feel so happy. I feel so good. And I just want to say thank you guys so much, because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. I just want to say thank you so much. And I want to say a huge thank you for the person that already purchased as well. Trust in me, trust in my growth oil to go ahead and place your order. All right, so thank you guys so, so, so much, and continue to give me this support. Okay, I really, 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 really appreciate you guys so much. So remember to go over Instagram and place your order, or send me an email and place your order. And trust me, you will get your order and you will love your order. All right. So now, after hours on top of hours, I finally finished. I've been doing this all day, almost all night. Finally finished. It's a lot of work behind the scene, but I did it with nothing but love. This is 100% handmade, homemade product, and it's filled with pure love and gratefulness. Bye.